In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customer data into QuickBooks using the Intuit platform. This process is crucial for efficiently managing your business records and ensuring you have all customer information ready and accessible within the system. So let's dive right into it. First, I'd tell you that you'll want to start by opening QuickBooks. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so now with your credentials. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an abundance of options at your disposal, but today we're focusing on the Settings menu. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen for the gear icon, which represents Settings. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Next, from this menu, you need to select the Import Data option. This is where you will be able to bring in information from external sources to QuickBooks, essentially populating your database with existing data and saving substantial manual entry time. Once you've entered the Import Data area, your attention should be on the Highlight button. Clicking this will ensure that whatever data type you intend to import is prepared and ready for the next steps. This is a crucial step that sets up your workspace to accommodate the influx of new data. Now we're focusing on our target data type. Click on Customers to specify that the data you will import pertains to your clientele. This important step tells QuickBooks you'll be uploading customer-related information, allowing for a structured and accurate import session. Lastly, with your data type selected, it's time to proceed to the import stage. By clicking on the Import button, you're essentially giving QuickBooks the go-ahead to start its magic. This is where you follow any on-screen prompts to browse and upload your data file. QuickBooks typically accepts CSV format for data imports, so make sure your file is prepared accordingly. Remember, throughout this process, to save your work periodically as a best practice. Additionally, review your data once imported to confirm accuracy and completeness, and make any necessary adjustments. If at any point you're unsure, QuickBooks offers substantial resources and support to guide you further. And there you have it, importing customer data into QuickBooks made simple. By integrating existing data seamlessly, you not only gain enhanced insights into your customer relationships, but also empower your business operations with efficient and streamlined processes. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe and let us know what other QuickBooks tasks you'd like to learn about. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.